Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Alex. Hello, Emily, and hello to all our amazing learners around the world. It feels great to be here again.
Same here. And today's topic is one of the most important topics for English beginners. I am actually very excited.
Ooh, that sounds serious. Tell us, Emily. What are we talking about?
We are talking about something that stops millions of people from speaking English. Something that blocks confidence.
Uh-oh, sounds familiar already.
The idea of waiting for perfect grammar before you speak.
Yes, that's a big problem. So many learners feel they must speak perfect English before opening their mouth.
Exactly. And today we're going to tell you the truth. Stop waiting for perfect grammar and just speak.
Yes, let's say it again. Just speak. That is the real secret to English fluency.
So Alex, let's start with this question. Why do learners want perfect grammar before speaking?
Well, because they are afraid. Afraid of making mistakes, afraid of sounding silly, afraid people will judge them.
You're right. Many learners think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh? What if I make a mistake?
But the truth is, everyone makes mistakes when learning a language. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes daily.
Absolutely. And here's a fun fact. Kids learn to speak first, and the grammar comes later. Adults usually want grammar first, and that slows everything down.
So true, imagine a baby saying, "Sorry, I cannot speak yet. I am waiting to learn past tense."
Exactly. They speak, and then grammar becomes natural.
Let me share a short story. Last year, I taught a student from Brazil. Her name was Maria.
Oh, I remember Maria. She was afraid to talk in class, right?
Yes, she always said, "Alex, my grammar is bad, I will wait." But one day I told her, just try one sentence. Don't be perfect.
And what happened?
She spoke. The grammar was not perfect, but her message was clear. Everyone understood her.
That's amazing.
And after that day, she improved faster than ever. Why? Because she stopped waiting.
This is so inspiring. And it's proof that speaking, even with mistakes, is better than staying silent. Alright everyone, get ready. Here are the 3 golden rules to speak English with confidence.
People don't want perfect grammar. They want to understand you.
Exactly. If your message is clear, you are already winning.
Mistakes help your brain grow. If you never make mistakes, you never learn.
We love mistakes. It means you're trying. Don't wait for a big moment. Speak 3 to 5 small sentences daily.
Like, I want coffee, I need help, I'm learning English. I don't understand, can you repeat? These are perfect everyday sentences.
Okay, listeners, let's practice together. Repeat after us, even if you're alone. I can speak English.
Your turn? Say it. I'm learning a little every day.
I don't need perfect grammar.
I am brave. I can try.
Mistakes help me improve.
Great job. You are speaking English right now.
Here are simple tricks you can start today. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. I am cooking. I am cleaning. I am working. Shadow native speakers. Listen to a sentence and copy it. Speak with friends in easy English. Even if they are not fluent, don't translate every word. Use simple English. Celebrate small progress. 1 new sentence equals improvement. Alex, do you remember your first time speaking Spanish?
Oh yes, it was terrible. I said the wrong things, wrong grammar. Everything was wrong.
But people understood you, right?
Yes, and they were happy I tried. That's what I want learners to understand. People appreciate effort.
Same for me. When I learned French, I made a lot of mistakes. But with every mistake, I improved. Dear listeners, your English does not need to be perfect.
You just need to try. 1 sentence today. 1 more tomorrow.
Fluency is not magic. It is practice. Because today, we are going to teach you something super powerful. Something that will make your English sound natural immediately.
Yes, today's episode is called Simple English Sentences You Must Use Every Day.
These sentences are short, easy, and super useful. They will help you speak English in daily life without stress.
And the best part? You can learn and use them today, even if your English is basic.
Many learners think they need long, complicated sentences to sound fluent.
But that's not true at all. Native speakers use simple English all the time.
Exactly. For example, I'm not sure. That's okay. Let me check. I don't know. Simple sentences. Natural English.
So today we will give you 20 super common sentences that you can use every day.
Okay, let's begin. If you need help, you can say, Sentence 1. Can you help me?
Short, clear, perfect. Sentence 2. I don't understand.
This is the most important sentence for learners. Sentence 3. Can you explain that again?
Useful at school, work, or anywhere.
Now let's look at everyday small talk. Sentence 4. How's everything? Instead of how are you? This sounds friendly and natural. Sentence 5. That sounds good.
Perfect when you agree with someone. Sentence 6. I'm not sure.
A polite way to say you don't know.
Sometimes you want to answer, but your brain needs a few seconds. Use this. Sentence 7. Let me think. Sentence 8. Give me a second.
Very natural and commonly used. Sentence 9. I'll do it. Volunteering or agreeing. Sentence 10. I'll send it to you. Emily. Great for emails, messages, or teamwork. Sentence 11. Let's start.
Simple, powerful leadership sentence.
If you want to share your opinion without sounding rude. Sentence 12. I think so. Sentence 13. I don't think so. Sentence 14. Maybe, I'm not sure.
These sentences make you sound calm and polite. Sentence 15. I'm on my way. You are coming. Sentence 16. I just finished. Sentence 17. I'll be right back.
Native speakers say these every day. Sentence 18. I'm a little busy right now. Sentence 19. Can we talk later?
Very polite and natural English. Sentence 20. Thank you so much.
Simple, powerful, always correct.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us. Let's practice together.
I don't understand. Your turn.
Let me think. Your turn?
I'm on my way. Your turn.
Can we talk later? Your turn.
Amazing, you are doing great. Remember, simple English is powerful English.
You don't need long sentences to sound fluent.
You only need confidence and practice.
Every sentence you speak, even a short one, is progress.
All right, everyone. That is all for today's episode. We hope these sentences help you speak English more confidently.
All right, everyone, that is all for today's episode. We hope these sentences help you speak English more confidently.
And for today's question, tell us in the comments.
We love reading your comments. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.